right foot. So you push down to come out of the plie, yes? Plie, push down. Now drag the left foot over cross, pull, 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 stand on it, keep moving. And more, leave enough room to slide. Close and fifth, rest, rest. Now on the left. Now leave enough space to keep moving. Now cross, cross, cross. You're on the right, you're on the right. And more on the left. Okay. Now rather than think this and that, it's this. It's the back arm going back that makes that one go. Always emphasize the backward movement.